This is my second official speed build, starting with Hydro, and there's supposed to be no audio after this. Next! So this is the MCFD, and here's Screeno. Ooh, one thing that I would like to mention before I go completely silent is that this microphone I really enjoyed building. This one was my favorite part. And this really represents a TV screen, without a doubt. Well, except for the teeth and, the eyes and the eyebrows. Other than that, it looks like a TV. So this is Newsers Max. So this is Screeno and Hydro. And a Nixel? Nix! So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I have to say that this speed build is better than my Star Wars one. I hope that you've enjoyed it. What's that sound? Nix!